Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, as we know that today is October 2, is birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. The complete name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but he was most commonly known Bapu or Father of Nation, who was born on 2nd October 1869 Porbandar in Gujarat. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi, who held the position of Diwan in the state of Rajkot, that is situated in Gujarat. His mother's name was Putli Bai. At early age, he was same as other children. He was started schooling at 7 years. The name of his wife is Kasturba Gandhi, whom he got married to at the age of 13. After completing matric and college studies, he went to England for law studies. After few years, he completed his law studies and came back to his motherland. He was a great leader of the Indian independence movement, who struggled a lot for freedom of India. He also started the great historical movement called the Satyagraha movement against British in the year 1942. He also started another movement called the Quit India movement and forced the Britishers to quit our country. It is the most popular in Hindu, that is Bharat Chodo Andolan. At the end, under his successful leadership, India won back its independence on 15th August 1947. After independence, Gandhiji undertook a trip to Nogale, which was burning with the Hindu-Muslim refight. He requested everyone that it is necessary to live in a peaceful manner, but unfortunately, he couldn't live with us for a long time. Thank you for listening. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.
Bye.